The gold is getting crazier day after day, and under just 1 year, it rose from 2,000 to 3,000. I mean, that's really insane. I mean, I cannot believe what's happening. The gold is just keep rising over and over. I miss the days when we are trading the gold on $1,600. That's really unbelievable what's happening right now. So again, guys, please now be careful and wise. And remember, the gold right now has reached, again, uncharted water, which means we are actually right now witnessing history being written by gold. So now, again, this signal, again, being based on technical and fundamental analysis. So again, guys, please be careful and wise when you are taking this signal and trade it, because it actually might fail. No one in the world now knows what's gonna happen next with the gold. No one knows if the gold gonna make a major crash or gonna continue the rise. Nobody knows. No one, no matter how they pretend to know the market, trust me, no one knows at all. So again, I will just do the best I can to read the market, and I really hope and praying that it will work well. So again, guys, trade with the minimum lot sizes and be careful and wise about taking this signal. So now, the gold, as you can see, I sent a signal to buy from 2961, but the gold now is way far from this entry and already approached the take profit level and exceeded 3012. Now currently at 3025. I cannot believe I'm saying these numbers now. Unbelievable what's happening. Now, what's gonna happen next with this pair? First of all, let me now delete the old signal, and let's now move to the daily chart. Now again, guys, we need to try to understand this pair, right? I mean, so what we will do right now is simply draw now a support trend line all the way right here. Again, guys, this is again daily chart, just to confirm that no one forgot that. So based on daily chart, we have here a very strong key level of a support trend line with the 3 attempts. Of course, because the market actually right now is moving in a very strong bullish movement. Now what we will do is simply copy the same support trend line that we have just drawn here, and now clone it, as you can see, and place the other copy right here on the next level of a resistance trend line. Check this out. So here we have a resistance trend line number 1, number 2, and now the gold is most likely gonna fill this gap and continue the rise to reach the resistance trend line. So meaning, based on daily chart and from technical analysis, says that the gold most likely right now is going to continue the rise to fill here this gap and reach the edge of the resistance trend line. Of course, there is a possibility it will actually just instantly make a bullish breakout from it. But until then, it seems like it's gonna be a good idea to buy the gold until it reach the resistance trend line. Good. So now daily chart confirms that we can actually consider buying the pair. Let's now move, however, to the 4-hour time frame. Good. Now here is the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to do something, guys, which actually I have explained before in a video on my channel called The Magic of Fibonacci. How does it work? It's simply looking for the previous structure happened right before the bullish breakout candle, and what you will do next is simply draw the Fibonacci right from this high to this low, just like that. Now, as you can see, we have new levels of Fibonacci has been born, and check this out. Right now we have one of the most strongest levels of the Fibonacci retracements, which is 261.8 at 3047. So the gold most likely, guys, will continue the rise till it reach 3047. Now for a starter, that is going to be our take profit level. Let me just highlight it. Take profit level at 3047. My god, I cannot believe I'm writing these numbers now. Now what's gonna happen next? Alright, good. So now let's now delete the Fibonacci and continue the analysis. Now again, guys, based on the 4-hour time frame, what we have right here is a broken level of a resistance trend line, as you can see. That's really good. So now we have a starting point. Now we can assume that the gold actually has a good chance to make now another pullback to gain some liquidity, and most likely the previous level of a broken resistance trend line will become a new support trend line. Hopefully, of course, we are actually, guys, only hoping for the best and hoping that this signal will work as planned, and we will witness finally a pullback, and then the gold will rise till it reach 3047. So again, where exactly and precisely can we place here our buy entry? Let me just now zoom in again, and let me just show you. What we can do right now is simply again draw the Fibonacci one more time, just to show you here what we can do, guys. So again, the Fibonacci has been drawn, and check this out. So right here exactly, we can wait a minute, let me just make it correct. All right, so here we have, of course, Fibonacci 161.8 at 2020 sorry, 3020.63. However, we would like to move right now to the smaller time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Good. So now what we can see here based on the 1 hour time frame is, as we can see, a broken level of a resistance right here exactly. So this is the resistance and this is here the bullish breakout candle. So now we can buy around 161.8, but however not exactly on it. I prefer to buy exactly right here to have actually a sharper entry. Exactly at the previous level of a resistance, which is the nearest one to this bullish breakout candle at 3018. That's, in my opinion, gonna be a better entry. So therefore, guys, we can actually buy at 3018, targeting 3047, aiming around, let's say around 300 pips of profit if we can. I mean, almost 300 pips of profit, and a safe zone. That in this case shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the previous level of a resistance at 3003, which means our safe zone, guys, in this case will be ranging for around 147 pips of a safe zone against almost 300 pips of profit. Let me now please write this signal for you. And there goes our new updated signal on the gold, my friends. And again, please be careful and wise. This signal, guys, is very highly to, actually any signal for this matter, highly to fail, because again, guys, the gold right now is so unpredicted and making so unexpected movements. So for that reason, I would recommend you guys to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. This is here our Telegram channel, Xtreme Trader Signals. Any changes or updates about the signal which cannot be sent on YouTube will be sent out right here on my Telegram. So make sure to join our channel, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, my friends, please trade safely and wise with the minimum lot size on the gold. So I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.